Baula pun pau ke jing Jingitynnad baula wan poi hasilong namar ke Jingitynnad kamariang ka culture ha ke jing tem jing rai bat ke jing songchit ki nong pet kai kham tam ki samla ha bakran chikelat patai ko bor ha ke jing wan jungo ka banekong jung u ya ke nong ba silong upat zelek ulaong ba ke jing wan jung u nadu nakat lingsun se silong ula yo I ya ke Jingitynnad ha ka ba kapenlong yo u ba unsay ka mobile mat ring video ulaong ba ka India ka pau da ka ba benrap ba ka pher ba ha ka culture na ka ripolan ka ba usyong usa.
So good. It's been really fantastic coming here for the first time. I have to say, being from Europe and especially from Poland, which is a very homogeneous type of country, everyone is kind of similar to each other. India is an exotic place, even on the drive here from the airport to Shillong, I just couldn't stop taking videos on my phone through the window just because of the nature, how absolutely exotic it is for me. So I kind of feel like I'm in a different world right now. And Arpan mentions Japan, how it's a victory market, Korea, how it's a victory market. But actually this is the place where I feel like I am exploring the most. And it's kind of a big honor actually, because what I do, the way that I play is pretty niche in general. Like it's an instrumental style, it's an instrumental type of music. It's a percussive style of guitar, which of course is a little bit more different, it's more intricate, I guess, than the typical guitar style. So, frankly, to see such a great reaction in India to this sort of performance is amazing. And I've heard, I don't know if it's true, you can do the research, but I've heard from one fan in Mumbai that no other foreign, percussive guitarist has ever really come to tour India. Is that right? You think so?
Yeah, we had Andy.
Okay, so he was wrong. So the fan was wrong. But anyway, it's a beautiful thing. It's something that I really feel like we are starting something new, and I hope that other artists, maybe some of my friends, maybe just some people who watch me online and are becoming bigger and bigger, that they can follow and visit this beautiful country.
So yeah.